Founded in 2006, technical developers account for 25% of the company's 470 employees. Sunlit is a tech business that develops and manufactures sanitary ceramics production equipment and high-end ceramics. All products have independent copyrights. Sunlit could design big and medium-sized sanitary ceramics plants processes, supply, install and commission equipment and facilities, provide whole process after-sales technical services. Sunlit's technology can offer you a one-stop solution and the most economical and effective sanitary ceramics manufacturer, from pre-factory evaluation to production process optimization, from factory site selection and layout design to raw material processing and ceramic production. Providing complete projects as part of production solutions. All of the world's major centers for the sanitary ceramics sector are home to our customers. For more than 16 years, we have maintained our position as the market leader in high-pressure casting technology and industrial automation technology via constant innovation, serving a variety of leading sanitary ware brands worldwide. Program evaluation, based on the experience summary of successful cases in different countries around the world for the planned expansion of the factory or the planned new construction. Offers highly tailored sanitary ceramic production solutions, cutting-edge and cost-effective. All types of toilets, basins, sinks, tanks, rims, squat pans, has the high-pressure casting machines to match the production needs. Turnkey and one-stop solution provider, while providing highly customized hardware equipment solutions. Our professional production technical team can provide the most professional technical support in the industry for all processes, from raw materials to firing, valuable after-sales support, continuous service, world-top sanitary ware factory, and the only equipment supplier that wholly owned and plant with annual output of 2 million pieces of ceramic sanitary ware. Sunlit's technology can keep its hardware equipment, production know-how and management experience always at the forefront of the industry. Sunlit's technology has delivered over 16 years of professional service to the top brands in the worldwide sanitary ware industry. As the innovator of high-pressure casting equipment for sanitary ceramics, we know that the needs of any factory are specific and unique, and that for the markets of different countries and regions, everything about the structure characteristics of the output ceramics, the casting process, to the labor cost of the factory location, personnel costs, professional skills level, training difficulty, raw material composition, water quality. Sunlit's technology's expertise is demonstrated by its ability to provide customers with a comprehensive set of entire manufacturing solutions.